my face, so say something.
Boo.
Ready? Where's Marta?
Boo.
Alright, do you want to hold the camera or no? What a sweater. No,
No, I gotta zip it up.
I want to show everybody my cool outfit where I don't even fucking match. There's nothing even close. My Oscar the Grouch slippers, because they're pimping. The pants Kelsey gave me. The shirt kind of matches the pants. Got it from my birthday. I think it was from you or mom.
For me.
Or Lexi.
It was from me.
It was from you. My cool ass hoodie. What are you wearing? Oh, look it. You see me up? 300 pictures and go.
So right there. Right there. Looking at Missy.
She disappeared! Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh no! I know you're tall, right? I'm really tall. You know I'm not, right? Pictures and pictures and pictures. Mom doesn't like when I do it. What? She's that bitch! I don't like it.
Taking pictures instead.